Njengoba kusanokubambezeleka kokuhlinzekwa ngamanzi kwezinye izindawo ezithintekile, amathimba phezu komsebenzi wokulungisa isimo.
We are aware of some of the areas around London, Blackgowrie and so forth, which are still very much problematic, but we can indicate to you that the team is working around the clock specifically to attend to that water pressure in that area. And as I've mentioned now, and that is part of the plan where we approach Rand Water for an additional 100 megalitres.
Ukuphazamiseka kokusabalaliswa kwamanzi kubeke nomthelela nasezikhungweni zomphakathi.
As an intervention and to assist our residents, we have 35 water tankers providing emergency water supplies to affected areas. In addition, we have prioritized hospitals, clinics, schools, and old age homes.
Izinhlekelele ezithinta imvelo kanye nengqalasizinda esindala kusayinkinga enkulu ebhekene nedolobha.
City power infrastructure, we're at a backlog of about 46+ billion worth of infrastructure rents. And the operating budget is R1 billion. The capex is 1.2 billion. 46+ billion versus OPEX capex of 2.4 combined. Just do the math. And then you'll realize what is it that we're dealing with.
Abantu banxusa ukuthi basebenzisa amanzi ngokucophelela kusalungiswa inkinga yamanzi.